Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get your Bitget referral code. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up the Bitget Exchange app. Tap on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, just go ahead over to the top left, tap on the profile icon. And in here, you can go ahead and tap on your user account right here. Tap on it, and you will have your referral code. Now, what if you don't have a referral code? So what do? Well, first up, go back to the home section. Okay. Now, these tabs, go ahead and tap on referral. Now, if you can't find it, just swipe right. And then right here under rewards, okay, tap on rewards. Referral should be available. So just tap on it. Wait for it to load. If this is your first time, there will be some pop-ups right here. Okay, so just tap on close. And then once done, go ahead over to referral program right here. Tap on it. Wait for it to open. And at the very top, you will have the register now button. So what you got to do is just tap on register now, and you will have your referral link as well as the referral QR code and its number. Okay. And after that, once you have registered, it will reflect to your account section, just like what we have done right here earlier. It will be shown right here, the referral code. And that is it. That is how you get Bitget referral code. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.